Hello my cute subscribers and people on the internet. With the last update of Visual Studio Code, my Prettier extension just stopped working. So if you're also having this issue, I will show you how to fix that. So basically, if you don't know what Prettier extension is, it's a code formatter and it's a tool that automatically makes your code more readable. It's integrating with your code, so your code is tied up whenever you saved your changes. So it's really helpful. So right now I'm trying to save my changes. I'm just, I'm saving my project, but nothing is happening because the Prettier extension is not working normally. So for fix that, you go to your settings, you search for default formatter, and as you can see, it's null. So we have to choose the Prettier VS Code from here. So after you choose it, just go back to your code, Ctrl and S, and here it is. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. See you later. Bye bye.